140, something like that. 13 million people in the house. Mega love shout out everyone. Happy Monday. Thank you, Leilani. 13 days in UK. Just financial stuff to sort out. Oh, it's okay. 13 days is enough. Days is enough. So Toffee girl and Snowy boy will stay there alone. They will miss you a lot, David. Ayan, playing tayo ng videos guys ng Mosang. Start na tayo. Ano yun? Gulo-gulo ng notebook ko talaga, oh. The peso is around 74 and 8,000 is around 100 English sterling pounds. So it's not the end of the world, just end of the TV. So was your TV fixed, David? Or still not functioning? Bunso ads, mega love shout out. Is it working now, your television, David? So guys, mag-goodbye na tayo ha. At 1 hour and 30 minutes na po tayo. My nephew John will house sit and babysit the dogs like the last time we went. It was sad because he told me Snowy sat on the balcony waiting for us to come home. Oh, that's pity, David. You know they are looking, they will miss you, be sure. Snowy and Toffee. Okay guys, so it's already 1 hour and 30 minutes. It's time for us to say goodbye. And time for shoutout guys. So guys, thank you so much for dropping by. To our friends from Brazil, Venezuela, Argentina, USA, UK, Germany, UAE, KSA, Italy, and the Philippines. Thank you so much for dropping by. A special shout out to our friends. Leon Olson, thank you so much Leon for dropping by. Nang Luz Dutado, Barry, thank you so much. Jander Ferreira, muchísimas gracias amigo. Papa ni Ronin, Iho Ronin, salamat. Sisi HLG, thank you so much sis Leia. Pom Kakuda, Inang Pom, salamat. Yenas Journey, Alma, thank you so much for dropping. Clever David Diaz, thank you so much. Muchísimas gracias amigo. Carlos Ibanez, gracias por la visita. Nong Pare Ko Official TV, thank you so much. Ogir Coins, muchísimas gracias amigo por la visita y por el apoyo. Bunso Ads Diary, thank you so much. Tigolo Diding Channel, salamat po sa pag-drop. Ading Charles Lumawig, thank you. Rodel Magsipok, thank you so much. David Sheridan, muchísimas gracias, thank you. Ayan, in-Spanish ko na si David. Ate Marks Vlog, thank you so much. Nung Tony, may kalab shout out, thank you so much. Kuyang Tonyo, muchísimas gracias. So guys, maraming salamat sa support ha. Next time ulit, at least meron po tayong pang-update sa watch hour natin. Kasi kaninang umaga, down na naman po. Ewan ko, pag di ako nag-LS, down siya kaagad. But anyway guys, thank you.